Hi friends, let me show you this 5-tier corner shelf stand that I received for reviewing purposes. You get 5 shelves like this for a corner, okay? They are nicely kind of marble white finish, okay? And you can install it as a 5-tier or as 1 3-tier and 1 2-tier, depending on what you need. We are going to put it together as a 5-tier shelf rack, okay? Let's do it. As you can see, we have the 5-tier shelf now ready. Let's try it. We're going to put it here in the living room. You can see, it looks nice. You can put here flowers or pictures or a plant, whatever you want to put in a corner space that maybe with no shelves, you won't be able to put anything there. But with these shelves, you are able to decorate it as you like. Thank you.